friend of me is Motorola Moto G22, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Following that, you can read all the informations about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!